Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Flexport, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Flexport website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Flexport account. On the dashboard, locate the budgeting tools or financial planning section. Select the option to create a new budget. Start by inputting your estimated revenue for the budgeting period. Next, input fixed costs such as rent, salaries, and utilities. Include variable costs, which may fluctuate monthly, like shipping and logistics. Review historical data to make informed estimates for variable costs. Allocate funds for marketing and other growth initiatives. Consider setting aside an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Once you've added all anticipated expenses, review your total budget. Use the analytics tools provided by Flexport to assess your budget. Make adjustments to expenses based on projected revenues or market conditions. Save your budget and set reminders to revisit it regularly. Monitor your actual spending against the budget throughout the period. Update your budget as necessary to reflect any changes in business activities. Utilize Flexport's reporting features to generate insights on budget performance. At the end of the budgeting period, analyze the results and prepare for the next cycle. Repeat this process to continuously improve your budgeting strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.